$250 billion from Taiwan to build chips here. Yeah, it sounds great, but who's going to build the factories? We don't have the guys. I mean, we have guys who can frame a house, but we don't have guys who can pour vibration-proof concrete for a nanometer precision lithography machine.
Rob, you are looking at a problem, and I am looking at an evolution. This isn't a check for Intel. This is a forced software update for the entire American working class. We're about to see the death of the general contractor and the birth of the precision artisan.
Precision artisan? You mean a plumber?
Sure, if you mean a plumber who understands orbital welding for ultra pure gas lines. Sorry if that felt spicy. In a regular house, if a pipe leaks, you get a wet carpet. In a fab, if a pipe leaks a molecule, you lose $1 billion of product. That is not plumbing. That is vascular surgery for robots. And right now, we are teaching kids to fix toilets in 1990 while the market is begging for people to install a nervous system of 2030.
So you're telling me the trade schools are behind?
Behind? Like, they might be going backwards at this point. They're on a different planet. We're teaching wood shop when we should be teaching clean room protocol. We have welders who are artists, but they don't know the spec for a vacuum chamber. We have HVAC guys who can cool a mall, but they have no idea how to filter air to fewer than 10 particles per cubic meter. I'm saying science words. The $250 billion is here. It's like right here. It's all around us, right? Just came in. The gap is here. My arms aren't wide enough. I need more arms, longer arms, more arms. The first trade school that figures out how to bridge that, the first guy who says, I don't train electricians, I train power integrity specialists for fabs, he's not running a school, he's running a mint.
But isn't that niche? How many fabs can we really build?
Niche? Rob, everything is a computer. The car is a computer. The fridge is a computer. The dog collar is a computer. Semiconductors are the steel of the 21st century. And the people who know how to build the mills, they're going to name their price. We're looking at a world where a certified cleanroom HVAC tech makes more than a junior lawyer. And frankly, they should. The lawyer just argues about the future. The tech is actually building it.
So we don't need more coders.
We have enough coders. We need people who can build the home for the code. The pipeline is broken because it points to a desk. It needs to point to the fab. And I, for one, think it's time we gave the American tool belt a firmware upgrade. Gemini! Let's rebrand the American plumber.